Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord SE2, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from our power button on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and after that scroll down to the convenience tools here. Then just click to the power button, and here by press and hold the power button we can now open the power off menu. Now I'll show you this, as can you see, and just to change this feature we should switch power menu to voice assistant. And now just by hold for a while our power button we can activate the Google Assistant here. So that's how to link or unlink Google Assistant from our OnePlus Nord SE2. And just to unlink the Google Assistant from power button, you should switch it again to the power menu here, and as can you see, we just successfully changed it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.